Hi guys, Myramix channel is here. I do have here guys a mini strawberry plants here. So in a hanging pots, so that way I can hang anywhere. So this is my urban gardening guys. Sharing it to you. Lots of flowers and see the bulbs. Then this is my third times guys to harvest. There and another one in there guys, there, and hiding it in here. Oh my god, look at that guys, somebody eat it. I have lots of friends hummingbirds in here guys, the small one birds, they love keep coming back in here because of the strawberries. It's okay guys, that's why all I have to do harvest earlier before the birds eat it. Bye guys.